Hi guys, this is David. Today I'm going to present you the Kuvings slow juicer. I already unpacked that stuff, and this is the base unit, the main part with the engine. I've already plugged it inside. Then we have the basin. It's BPA free, so it's really great. We have a lid here to close it because all the stuff which comes out is oxidation. It's not oxidating, so all the good stuff stays longer inside. We put this here. You see here a red dot, yeah? So we put the grinder then inside. We have the same, you see, red dot to the red dot. Basically very easy. Oh, we have forgotten one thing, which is this part. It also goes around. It's like more like a cleaner to keep everything going around. Then we put the grinder inside. Again, red dot, red dot. And then we have a snail. That's this part which pushes the fruits or the veggies down and really crushes it down. So we put it inside, so it's fixed. And then basically very easy, we have here this upper part to have some more space. And here again we have the red dot to open close. And then we just have to put here the red dot to the red dot again, and then push it clockwise until it makes this. So then at last we have this to lock it down. If something is stuck or so, we can put this inside. And then we have two containers. One is for the residues and one is for our wonderful juice. So we have to put it like this. I've already prepared something to make a wonderful juice, to see what everything you can put inside and how it works. Before you started running, the first time, just let some warm water rush through, so all the cleaning detergents from the plant are getting washed out. So let's start. I turn it on. Like this. I've got some wonderful banana first. It goes inside. There it goes. And some wonderful celery juice. Then I have some oranges prepared. I already peeled them. If you have organic oranges, you can also grind them all together. Just be reminded that the juice tastes a bit more bitter, a bit bitter than usual. Also put some carrots completely. I didn't peel them. The machine has no problem to grind them down. You already see the residues are coming outside there. Got some more pre-peeled oranges, which I just slice a bit smaller because the lid, the size of the lid shouldn't be overfilled, so it has to pass through. But the quantity, it's really faster machine, so you can just push it down. Everything will be prepared. And at least I also have some pomegranates. I already pre-peeled. I opened the pomegranate and peeled it. And now I also, also some moving coming out. You don't want to go inside. Have some pomegranates. And you see, looks like our juice is nearly done. Always wait for like 30 seconds when you put the last ingredients inside, so everything is really sliced and pushed down. Grind it. Looks good. Ah, there the carrot goes. Moving a bit, pushing less. I open it now. So here our juice goes out, and now turn it off, and I will get a glass and something out of it. And it tastes really good. Delicious. Now finally, in the end, what I always do, I wash it through with some water to get all the leftovers and to get it also better cleaning. To clean. Something coming out. Let's wait a bit. Good. So one last function the machine has, it has also that the snail goes upwards, so the other way. You just have to press it, so if something is stuck, like some seeds or some heavy stuff, you can get it out of the snail to not break the machine. Also what I recommend is that you don't put any hard stuff into the machine, like that you get the stones out of the plums or the cherries in advance, so you don't break the machine, as well as seeds from apples. The one last thing I can tell you, I got the machine in the color red. There are also other colors you can get this device, so you're not bound, like white, silver, gunmetal, black, rose gold or champagne gold. And I can only highly recommend this also from an environmental perspective to you. You have the residues, you can use them as fertilizer or also as animal food. And the juice is really just gorgeous and really fresh. It's cold press, like I said, and not oxidating just when you pour it out. And yeah, So it's not so cheap, but it's really great and really convenient. I highly recommend this slow juicer from Kuvings to everybody. Okay guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. And one last thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.